Oh, no, sorry. We're not here yet. Some people have no consideration for other people's time. You almost missed his entrance. I had the longest weekend.
You drink all the coffee?
You know that guy Jason I was supposed to go out with this weekend?
You don't have coffee in your office?
That's sexist. Because I'm a woman, I have to make my own coffee.
How are you even getting here? That's the question.
The janitor gave me a key. Let me tell you about the weirdest date ever.
I thought Freeport girls like man with boat.
Firstly, I'm from West End. Secondly,
Hey, not tomorrow, but tomorrow.
Jason, I went to the marina first because, that's where the pleasure crafts are.
Okay, well, I mean, you know how expensive them docking fees are. That's daylight robbery.
That's true. That's true. Bang, bang.
Yeah.
Okay, but where is your boat?
Right here. Right here.
I don't see anything.
I mean, hey. Right here.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay.
He make you blow up the boat.
He didn't have an air pump.
Hold on, now. This can't be the same person who threatened to call a labor board because I didn't have oat milk.
You know I can't drink dairy.
You don't work here.
Focus. The date. Now, I ain't no bougie gal. I down to earth. I eat my conch snack with garlic aioli and shallots like everyone else. So, I was ready to go on the floaty for science.
You still thought he was for cheap?
For science.
Now, once you collect the ticket money from them, make sure you stomp their hand. Stomp it.
I thought this was a date.
Well, apparently he needed an assistant, and it was cheaper this way. He thought I worked in customer service or PR because I'm so pretty. That's his words.
You do work in PR.
Why you let me go on out with him?
Well, you only tell me like 5 minutes before you go onto the marina in case he, would you say, human traffic you?
Wow. So you victim blaming now. Anyway, when me and Jason were packing up, I slipped on the dock, and you know what he said?
5 second rule.
What?
You know, like, God bless the germs, the devil eat the worms.
What does that mean? No, that's weird, right? He said, wear sensible shoes next time.
Boy, I know you mad you get swing.
Still not the worst date I've ever been on.
So the question remains, was it your best?
I don't want to cheapen the experience by counting numbers. Anyway, I think I might be the new customer support for his business now, and they don't have health care, so I'm going to need to, get put on your plan.
Why I feel like you only half joking? Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. Isn't your name Tomorrow?
It is.
But Tomorrow ain't spelled like this.
So now you mansplaining how to spell my name.
No, I just saying like, Tomorrow don't start with a TR, and it definitely don't have a U in it.
Okay, this is Bahamas water sports and day excursions all over again. You gonna be long? Hey, Melissa. Hey.
I gotta drop it to the airport.
You know, I want to hate your girlfriend, but she is so pretty. She's beat you, eh?
How you going?
What? That's it. You can go now. It's not like I'm going to reveal some deep, dark secret now that he's gone. This is a workplace comedy. So nothing funny is going to happen while he's gone anyway. And yes, you know, I would like to think that I'm the protagonist of this story, but for that you need A, the longest emotional journey. Ew. Sounds like time travel and living in the past. B, the most conflict. And I don't date men in relationships anymore. So C, have a goal. What is my goal? Do people walk around with like a list? People weird.
Please stop dating guys based on how straight their lineup is. You're too good for these random Joneses.
Why y'all still here? No, sorry. I can do without the giant grin on my face. Why are you still here? That's better. It's probably a text saying that I've used up 75% of my data.
Why?